Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fit in a Miata step by step. Start by adjusting the seat height and fore-aft position so you can reach pedals and steering without strain. Loosen the seat back and lean forward while sliding the seat to make entry easier. Check mirror positions and steering column reach, then fine-tune lumbar support for comfort. Practice entering and exiting slowly until the motions feel natural and safe. Begin entry by sitting on the sill, then rotating your hips into the seat in one smooth move. Keep knees together and feet outside until your hips glide in, then bring feet in one at a time. Use the seat back or door sill as a steadying point while lowering yourself to avoid scraping the roll bar. Practice the sequence slowly until it becomes a confident, comfortable routine each time you get in. Fine-tune seating by balancing leg reach and headroom for long drives and short hops. Recline slightly so your shoulders are supported while keeping an upright posture for visibility. Adjust mirrors and steering position after seating to avoid frequent shifts. Check that your knees remain slightly bent at max pedal use and that you can easily access handbrake and shifter without stretching or cramping. Small tweaks make big comfort gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.